check in this region if we have any operatives.
We'll get on that now.
We'll keep in touch.
And to compound everything, you sent our son to stay with people who didn't know that he was in danger. So they didn't know he needed protecting. So he was taken. And who get him back? Guess what? Me!
David, do you know what's painful? The fact that I got the chance to take you out, and I didn't take you out because I love you, and I couldn't see myself taking you out, even to save my own son. And here you are, throwing everything in my face with no consideration about how I feel or what I've been going through. Sometimes I feel like I hate you.
Oh my God. Really? You're going to have to join the line. But let me warn you, it's a long one.
I'm taking our son to Arizona. And I don't want you and your homes to watch over us. I don't need your guidance. I am a grown-ass woman. I need you to promise me you'll have access to our son. You can call him whenever you want. But I don't want to be under your surveillance. Are we clear?
So tell me, what about visits?
Not for a while. A year at least.
A year? The same year that have 365 days in it? Just talking to him on the phone, that's what you are proposing?
David, I need some time to be alone, to revamp. And I just need some time alone, and I can't do so with you. Keep coming around.
Who is he?
Who is who?
You really want to go down that road? You're moving to Arizona because you found a place there. You're doing well, but not that well. You can't afford a house in Arizona. So, who is he, Audrey?
Martin. And Anthony Martin.
So what? Speak up.
Anthony Martin.
Whoa. Anthony Martin. Tony Martin. You get to have the best of both worlds in one man.
Don't you dare judge me. David, you've invested your time and energy and all your effort in your agency. I want to do the same, but I want to invest it in a family.
Let me get this straight. You need time to cement your relationship with Tony. I need to stay away so you can successfully do that. Then after a year, then I can see my son.
Yeah.
Audrey, you know you have more nerve than an aching tooth. Let me get back to you on that.
Hey, David, please don't make this difficult for me.
I'll have an answer for you by the end of the week.
David,
Yeah?
one more thing. I want a divorce. And my lawyer said I should ask for half of everything. Thanks.
Yes, sir. Package received.
Hello? Milton? They know you're in Germany. You need to disappear now.